Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To factory reset your iMac without logging in, restart your iMac and immediately press and hold the Command and R keys. This boots your iMac into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, select Disk Utility and click Continue. Choose your startup disk, usually named Macintosh HD, and click Erase. Select APFS or Mac OS Extended, Journaled, as the format. After erasing, return to the Recovery Mode menu, select Reinstall Mac OS, and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Mac OS. This process will reset your iMac to factory settings.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.